another victim of ordinary fame. I don't see myself as invincible. It's not true at all. I'm just your average, ordinary, everyday superhero, trying to save the world, but never really sure. I'm just your average, ordinary, everyday superhero, nothing more than that. That's all I really am. Just a day job, and something's got to do. It's kinda hard when everyone looks up to you. Try to make it look easy, gonna make it look good, like it.